Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today I'm going to make a project in honor of 4th of July. So I'm planning to do three things here which are really quick and easy. And this is one of the, as I told, like I don't throw anything, I just make use of it because that's a way of my contribution towards green. And this is one of the beans can, and I cleaned it out and washed and dried and I painted white to save some time. So I'm going to make a flag colors going in this. So I'm going to use this beaded necklaces that I got from Dollar Tree, the red ones. And I also spray painted the white ones to metallic silver. So this will go as the stripes of the flag. And then the blue paint, I'm going to put the corner of the flag where it has blue on it. So I'm going to paint that. And I'm also going to use these gemstones as the stars of the flag. So yeah, I'm very excited about this project. I want to see how it turns out, and maybe I'll use this for putting some pencils or maybe like paint brushes, or maybe I'm going to think how I'm going to use that. So this is one of it. And this candle, this actually is a candle holder, mirror glass candle holder, and it's in silver, and it has like star symbol on it, so it kind of resembles the star in the blue part of the flag. So I'm going to make a candle and into this one. Basically I got this 4 scented votive candles from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stick the wick here and then melt the white part of the wax candle and then pour it in this, and I'm going to make a nice candle, and it smells amazing. It's fresh linen fragrance, and this is one of it. And this pillow that I got at Kroger after Memorial Day, they actually put all the stuff in a sale section. So I got this for $2.50. So I thought like this also got like nice flag. It's reminding of the 4th of July theme. So I thought like I'll give some nice tassels to it. So for that tassel, I'm going to use this twine that I got from Dollar Tree, where the car supply section is. So I'm going to make tassel using this foam board that I have around the house. So yeah, these are the three things I'm planning to do. And yeah, I'll be back after I assemble everything together to start the project. So while we were gone, I just prepared, just pull the back part of the candle like that for the wick, and then stuck with the hot glue to the bottom of this nice mirror glass votive candle holder. So I just also melted this white wax and then poured it in there, and then sprinkle a little bit of this glitter. So it looks festive and it's beautiful, and it fits the theme of 4th of July. So I also had 2 of the other star-shaped candle votives. So I thought like I'll decorate these 2. So I got these gems from Dollar Tree, which I was having in my craft room. So I also stuck like pink gemstones and white gemstones here on the red one. And I had this glitter glue, which is golden and red. So I just stuck to that, and I'm going to lit the candles. So yeah, this is one of it. So I'm very happy. It's got all the flag colors, white, blue, and red. So yeah, let's go to the second one. That's something that I like. It turned out good. So what I did was I just painted the blue part for the blue part of the flag, and I started sticking the beaded necklace. So I'm gonna do like that, one after the other. So it starts with the red and ends with the red. That's how the flag is. So I'm going to do that way. there you have it, guys, the final outcome of all the projects that I was planning to do for this project. So this one is like a candle holder, mirror glass candle holder, and I prepared this candle by melting the wax, which are from Dollar Tree again, and with the everything is from Dollar Tree. So I'm very happy, and I put some sparkles to give like festive effect to it. And this is red and blue. Also, I decorated this candle, so this is like a flag colors, the theme of the flag colors I wanted to put in there. So yeah, I'm going to lit the candle and show how it looks. And these are the two tea light candles that I got from Dollar Tree, and I removed the metal part and then I inserted that like that. So this is how I'm going to decorate. And this is one of the the can that I was working on. I just gave the beaded necklace, I mean red, actually maroon and silver, metallic silver like that, like to give the flag effect to it. And I painted blue there, and I attached the gemstones to give the stars effect. And I decorated with the three colors of the flag flowers, like blue, white and red. So I'm very happy how it turned out for this one. Maybe I'll decorate like with flowers like this, so it looks so beautiful like a flag. And this one is again, this is the only thing it's not from Dollar Tree, but the tassels that I made from a twine, and I showed you how to do this. And yeah, this is one of it. So yeah, these are three things in honor of 4th of July. And yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out. I hope you also enjoyed along with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like, share, and please click on the bell icon as well. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.